Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where we make trading stress-free. PSE index went down from 7,278.44 last November 26, 2021, to 7,055.19 this December 3, 2021. This performance is equivalent to a minus 3.07% decrease in the index for the week. Our magical stocks also went down from 743.24k pesos to 713.86k pesos, or a minus 3.95% decrease in our investment. Overall, our magical stocks profit went down from 142.43k pesos to 113.05k pesos. We will update the conclusion of our first batch of magical stocks and the other 3 batches for this week's video. Before we proceed with our update, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or monitoring our system's effectiveness, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. We already concluded the first batch of our investment. When we invested it last October 2020, we bought a total of 151,385.28 pesos for the 5 stocks. The total profit is around 49,630.94 pesos after 1 year. This is equivalent to 32.78%, which is above our target of 30%. We are successful in investing in our first batch of magical stocks. Here is the history of the 5 stocks. Our first stock is LTG. We bought 3,000 shares last October 15, 2020, at 9.96 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 405 pesos. We sold the stock last January 11, 2021, at 13.56 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 10,752.77 pesos, or a 35.88% profit. We are successful in this stock. Our second stock is DMC. We bought 7,000 shares last October 13, 2020, at 4.19 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 3,204 pesos. We sold the stock last August 9, 2021, at 5.79 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 13,954.74 pesos, or a 47.44% profit. We are successful in this stock. Our third stock is MEG. We bought 10,000 shares last October 15, 2020, at 2.93 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 336.38 pesos. We sold the stock last December 6, 2021, at 3.14 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 2,068.91 pesos, or a 7.04% profit. We missed the 30% profit target. Our fourth stock is GT Cap. We bought 80 shares last October 14, 2020, at 405 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 221 pesos. We sold the stock last October 26, 2021, at 559.5 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 12,084.82 pesos, or a 37.19% profit. We are successful in this stock. Our fifth stock is SECB. We bought 330 shares last October 14, 2020, at 91 pesos per share. We received a dividend payment of 890.5 pesos. We sold the stock last October 22, 2021, at 122.3 pesos per share. The total profit in this stock is 10,769.7 pesos, or a 35.76% profit. We are successful in this stock. For the magical stocks with actual buying, here is the worksheet for our 4 batches of magical stocks. Our top performer is DMC, gaining 3.51%, while the least performer is LTG, losing minus 8.93%. We still don't have any sell signal for our magical stocks. Our first batch is above the market with a gap of 13.98% this December 3, 2021, coming from 10.4% last November 26, 2021. This will be the conclusion of our first batch, where we are successful in earning more than 30% and we are above the market. Our second batch is above the market with a gap of 27.38% this December 3, 2021, coming from 27.01% last November 26, 2021. Our third batch is above the market with a gap of 1.77% this December 3, 2021, coming from 0.3% last November 26, 2021. Our fourth batch is above the market with a gap of 6.82% this December 3, 2021, coming from 8.16% last November 26, 2021. To summarize our investment, the first batch of magical stocks is gaining by 32.78%, coming from 32.97%. The second batch is gaining by 25.32%, coming from 28.05%. The third batch is gaining by 11.74%, coming from 13.76%. The fourth batch is gaining by 8.87%, coming from 13.43%. Overall, with an investment of 600.82k pesos, our investment's current value is 713.86k pesos, equivalent to 18.81% coming from 23.7%. We have a gaining first batch, a gaining second batch, a gaining third batch and a gaining fourth batch. That will be all for the Magical Stocks update this week. Thank you for watching. Next week, we will continue updating the 4 batches of magical stocks and the 8 experimental stocks. Quote, sometimes the best trade is no trade. Unquote. Author unknown. See you in the following video, have a great day ahead.